YouTube channel. I'm Noob. Oh, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we're playing Don't. You can read it yourself. And I just had a stroke trying to read because I cannot find it. But we're playing Don't Press the Button 7. This isn't even by the real creator, but who cares? Let's play it. Okay. You gonna let me play? Yeah, we're playing. And if the video cuts off when I'm talking or something, that's how life works. What happened? Floor is open. Oh no. No! Wow. I should have stayed up there. Okay. Nope. Noob. I am noob god. Coco, easy. They should have kept the oof sound effect. That actually sucks. Go. Yeah. What? It lagged. It's not my fault. Okay, so let's just play. Ah! Gina's What's that, guys?
You hear me?
Do you know I'm making a video right now? Can I make a video?
Not right now, no.
Oh my god.
You want to get off of it and forget it?
No.
Are you sure?
Okay, so my grandma just that doesn't even touch me. My grandma just yeah, I really love that she did that. Super fun. Okay, sorry, but my parents just interrupted my video. Okay, how do you only have $14? Haha. What? How was I supposed? Space truck. No. I need to get in. I should have got in. Choose a color with red because it's my favorite. Red is my favorite color, so yeah. Okay, we didn't die, so let's go and go to the red platform. Go. You're colorblind. That was easy. Survive decent hurries. Yeah, I don't need. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Get her instead. I'm forever jumping. Okay, so let's go and just play the game. Ah. Why did I die? Yeah. Me. 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 What am I doing? Ah. Go. 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 Hide.
You lost your clothes.
Hide. Ah! Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help. Okay, guys, we did not survive that video. Well, no, not video. We did not survive him. Okay. Dodge the laser? Hey, I wasn't ready. I was not ready at all. Hey, guy. Bro, you good? Go, 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 go. How do you got that many coins? How'd you get so many coins? Get me out of here. Hey, oh my god. What am I doing? What is this? Let me out of here. Let me out. I need out. Okay, so guys. Jenna sucks. Jenna bad. Higanongo. Okay, so. Yeah, guys. Jenna is going on a motor spree. How did Jenna get up there? Isn't Jenna a hacker? Well, Jenna isn't even real, but... Ah, go. Okay. Hehe. 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 Yeah. Slide. Chavez. Ha! We survived. Yes. Hamburger. 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 Amongst us. Amongst us. Amongst us. Whatever that is. Bum 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 bum. Okay, emergency meeting. Emergency meeting. Go back on. Go. Okay. Watch out for the rocks. Drain the rock once and... Ah! Oh my god. I am the best. This woman just killed my, just killed my. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing. Bum 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 bum. It's a giant Among Us. Bigger than my forehead. Wait, nothing's bigger than my forehead. I got... Ah! Help me! Oh, come on. I got to the top before anyone else. Hehe. Hehe. Yeah. Wow. Come on. Go. Lava, get that guy. Okay, well, I think the video is gonna end here. So, like, bye, guys. Bye.